Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Paris Hilton, Meghan Trainor, they are Chasin. Alright, so this is actually very uplifting, this song, and I thought it deserves to be here on Garden Guitar, of course. So it's very easy, guys. We have simple chords, no capo, and let's do this. So 5 chords together, we need to learn them. So starting with G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have A minor next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. C come up there, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E, and final chord is E minor. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so that was the last chord, G, A minor, C, D, and E minor. And we have pretty much 2 chord progression styles, or different corporations here. One is for the pre-chorus. So that is one way of play it, and everything else goes in the same way. So that means verse, chorus, bridge part, and even an outro, everything is played in the same way. And I thought we're gonna look at that first. So if we grab the chord G, that is the first chord, we need to learn the strumming first. So it goes like that. So it's down, up, clap, down. First down, and then a short pause, and then up, clap, down. That is 1 round. So a couple of rounds goes. All right, so we are ready for this song here, and to handle perhaps 90% of this song. Like I said, verse, chorus, bridge, and outro goes G, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and D, 2 string rounds. So 2 string rounds per chord in the order G, A minor, C, and D. Let's go for a couple rounds. Alright, so very easy, guys. But we'll continue this with the pre-chorus play. And now the chord progression differs a little bit. We're gonna start with E minor, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, and D, 2 string rounds. So again, 2 string rounds per chord, order E minor, C, G, and D, like this. Now back to main, G, A minor, C, D, and like that till the very end, guys. Paris Hilton and Meghan Trainor, Chasin. So yeah, of course it's playable on guitar like almost every other song out there. So yeah, I enjoy to do these tutorials, and I hope you can, give me some love back and subscribe to this channel. That is very motivating to see this channel grow. So thank you for that, guys, and see you next time. Play tuned.